Frustrated by the MySQL Data Library DLL error causing Oracle at MySQL to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. To start fixing MySQL Data Library manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the MySQL Data Library, the official .NET data provider for MySQL. It allows CRAN and VB.NET applications to perform SQL queries. If missing, specialized enterprise software will crash immediately upon login, citing an assembly load failure, Mysql.data, as the database connection cannot be established. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. libx264-148 is part of a game or graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX components. Then update your GPU drivers if the file is hardware accelerated. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the MySQL data library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for libx264DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on MySQL Data Library. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and MySQL Data Library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.